As of today, incident management became even easier with Verkada with the addition of a new feature. As a company, we are very interested in simplifying everything from purchase, install, maintenance, and operation of all your security and building management systems. So far, we made it super easy for you to find the right footage in case an incident has happened. So instead of going through a camera's history and scrubbing it and wasting your time that way, all you have to do is drag an area of interest, and command will show you every time a person, a vehicle, or general motion has happened. So we are always prioritizing persons, as in most cases they are related to incidents. So you'll see here that these are all the times where a person has been seen entering or leaving that door, together with a tracklet of movement, making you understand much faster if that is who you're looking for. Once you hover over a clip, this shows you what happened. And if you want to investigate further, you click into the particular clip. You can overlay multiple cameras that will time synchronize, so you can watch the incident from multiple angles. You can review any alerts as well, so they will appear as a red dot here. For example, this is a profile called unknown person that has been identified by our person of interest feature. And if this is the incident that you are looking for, all you need to do is click create archive, and this is where the Verkada cloud will fetch that particular clip. It can be a few seconds short, it can be 24 hours long, and it will store it in the cloud. And the advantage of the archive is that, as opposed to the on camera storage, which is limited to 30, 60, 90, 365 days, it will always be there as long as you need it. Small note, we are at the time of this video using AWS and their S3 buckets to make sure that these archives are not only kept encrypted, but also redundant across multiple data centers. With every archive, you can drop your notes here, you can add different tags, and at any given point, you can use the Archives tab on the left-hand side of the screen to search and review all the archives that have taken place. And if you need to share this with the authorities, yes, you can download it as an MP4 file and put it on a USB drive, but it's actually much better to use the share button here and do so while asking the person either for their email or phone number. This means that the process is much quicker and you have full accountability, because now command will report into who's sharing archives, where did they go to, how many people have viewed them, and it actually even gives you the ability to kill off any shared links. Second note here is that anytime you download or share an archive, there is a timestamp that you can configure depending on what part of the screen you want it to be in, and that will validate the time and date of that footage. So far, I talked about features that already have existed on the platform for the last few years that help Verkada customers. However, today I'm also going to be talking about something called the Incident Manager. And the whole idea behind Incident Manager is that, let's say you have multiple archives and you are sharing them one by one. This function will actually allow you to stitch them together and create a cohesive story. Multiple admins can work on a particular incident, add archives to it, add their own notes, and then in the end share it as a one single document. For example, I can create a new incident. I'll give it a name, a summary, and go into the archives and select a few of them. So all I need to do is copy each of them to the incident. So if I go back to my incident, I can see the archives have copied across. I have the ability to further understand the people or vehicles that the cameras spotted in those particular archives. I can modify the notes and also play the videos as one. So this is quite cool because as you see here, anybody reviewing this not only sees the one clip, but also timestamps and the notes associated with each part of the incident. We can download the incident, including a summary PDF, the videos, the images, and even the activity log, which shows the admins and how they created the incident. I can share it with other admins, and once the incident is closed, I can mark it so. And that's about it. Hopefully this shows you how easy it is not only to find the right footage with Verkada cameras, but also how to share them with third parties in a way that is very, very relevant for them, avoiding having to send multiple files and your notes separately. As of today, this feature is available free of charge for all the Verkada camera users, no matter when they have purchased it. And if you have any additional questions, do drop them in the comments below.